interested, I do have a PDF file that another director created, not me, that is basically your invention worksheets and your arrangement questions as you're building out your essay, and then your outline for every single essay. So it's like essay 1, or like, so like for essay 6, it'd be like, okay, she would have all 4 of these worksheets, and then she'd have all the lists of questions that you need, and then she'd have the outline, and your student works through the whole packet for that.
Because then I'm like, sorry buddy, you didn't do those.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. The whole thing is, that's what I do with my kids. We never even bought the student workbook, because I was like, I've got basically a printable student workbook. So I'll send that out. I print that out for mine, and that's helpful to me, because then I know they work through it all.
Hey teachers, thanks for popping in and watching this video. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Erica Lind and I'm a homeschooling mom. I have 4 kids and I have been teaching them for over 10 years now. We use a classical approach to schooling, so I've been using My Father's World and Classical Conversations. It's my goal to help homeschooling become easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I'm putting them here for you to see. So congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Would you just pop a hearts emoji into the comments so that I know you watched the whole thing? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you liked this video about the LTW curriculum, you need to check here to see the next video in this series. You guys have a great day, and remember, you are already enough.